What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete your temporary files on Windows and clean up your computer. First, use the shortcut Windows key and R. This will open the Run window. In the Run window, type prefetch and hit OK. You'll be asked for permission to proceed, just click Continue. This will open a prefetch folder, which stores cache files that help your system load apps faster, but they can accumulate and slow things down over time. To clean it up, select any file in the folder, use the shortcut Ctrl and A to select all files, and then press Shift and Delete. This will permanently delete these files, clearing out unnecessary cache. Next, use the shortcut Windows key and R again, but this time type temp and press OK. This will open the temporary files folder, where many applications store temporary files. Even if your PC doesn't store too many temporary files, it's a good idea to clean these regularly. Select any file in this folder, use the shortcut Ctrl and A, and then delete all files. Once that's done, search for %temp%. This opens another location where temporary files are stored, often containing encrypted junk created by the system or various applications. These files are not necessary, and it's perfectly safe to delete them. Again, select any file, press Ctrl and A, and then delete all the files. If you're unable to delete some files because they're currently in use by certain programs, you can leave them as it is. Now that we've cleared out these folders, there's one last step. Use the shortcut Windows key and R again, and this time type clean mgr and then hit OK. This will open the disk cleanup tool. You'll be asked to choose a drive to clean up, and the C drive will be selected by default. So go ahead and click OK. The disk cleanup window will then show you a list of items that can be safely removed. Make sure to check boxes for recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnails, delivery optimization files, and temporary internet files. Once you've selected everything, click OK and confirm to begin the cleanup. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.